Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll go over how to configure a 911 rule in 3CX. From the 3CX dashboard, click on the Settings tab. Under the System Settings, click on General. Scroll down to the Emergency Number section and click on Add. Fill out your emergency information. First, you want to type in the name of your 911 rule. In the number field, type 911. Next, you'll need to define the users, groups, or both that will use this 911 rule. Enter extension numbers in the Calls from Extensions field. To add Calls from Extensions groups, click on the Add button. It's important that your groups and users are set up properly for their 911 number and location. Select Voxtelesys or your Voxtelesys trunk as Route 1. Click on OK when you're finished. After you're done adding your emergency information, view and verify your created rule. Click on the Notifications button. Select your notification type. For example, you can set up a notification to be sent to one or more email addresses and set up the chat notification to be sent to all group managers. Note that Voxtelesys will also send an SMS message to the number you set up when creating the 911 profile on our portal. Click on OK when you're finished. Click on OK next to the General Settings. Additionally, Voxtelesys requires an SMS or textable number to receive 911 notifications from our network, which is set up in our portal at portal.voxtelesys.net. Congratulations! You've successfully set up 911 rules in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX as we're continually adding new content.